Berry Islands are a tiny string of 30 islands in the northwestern part of the Bahamas. It has a small population of about 800 people, and today we're at Sugar Beach.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
So buddy, all that for this?
All that for this.
For this! Yeah!
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Good morning, buddy.
Morning.
Another 5 a.m. coffee. Okay, we decided to sail to Nassau from Bullocks Harbor. Unfortunately, we're going to skip the southern part of the Berry Islands. So we're right here, Bullocks Harbor. We want to spend time in those islands, but the wind, it's going to be upwind sailing, where we're going to chill here on this point, on this side, this anchorage or this anchorage, while there is a stronger wind coming Friday, Saturday. Here we go.
Making coffee. I can't talk until I make my coffee.
Okay. We have 1.4 meters of water under our rudders. We're leaving at low tide with the moon, but with a rising tide. We have our tracks from when we came in, so we're going to follow that and just going to go around the northern side. Get your coffee yet? Anchor is up. You cold?
Yeah, I am cold.
It's the Bahamas.
The Bahamas. It's supposed to be warmer than this.
Wow, it's like 20 something.
I don't know.
21, 22?
I'm cold. It's like wet cold. It's like humid cold, so.
Well, the sun is out. It's going to warm up. We have a cruise ship terminal just outside. Perfect, what does it say? Perfect Day is the name of the amusement park, I guess. Let's have a perfect day. Okay, so we just came out north to round the northern coast of Berry Islands. The wind is coming in this direction. Right now we're headed east, so we should be sailing right now. We have 14 knots of wind, and that would mean we will be doing this tack. But our little buddies, the European model and the US model, when I say they leave at 6 o'clock, they leave at 6 o'clock on the dot at the waypoint I marked. So we're a little bit behind because we need to do a couple things in the morning. Holly needs to drink a cup of coffee. We need to go slow because there is 1.2 meters under the keel, under the rudders. So anyway, so now we made a decision in the interest of time to motor a little bit, and then we'll go on the port tack heading all the way south along the coast of the Berry Islands and crossing this little bit of water and coming to Nassau. So what we're trying to do is we leave early. We want to give ourselves time. There's still a long way to go. Ideally, we want to anchor when there is still daylight, but it's better if the sun is higher up because you see the bottom. So right now, our ETA is like 3 to 4 p.m., which is okay, but we don't want to come later than that. So we're going to cut the corner, and the wind seems to be there. The angle seems to be as forecasted by the European model. So we should have a nice upwind sail if everything stays the same. We might have to do a couple clearing tacks just along the coastline to get away from it. But other than that, it's mostly one long tack, and we're hoping to get a little bit of help from the wind later in the day. It's right now 1 or 110 roughly, and we're hoping it will come to maybe 100 to 90, and that should lift us up a little bit towards Nassau. Let's see what happens today. Not sure you can see this, but we have another sailboat, one port tack, then starboard tack. We have giveaway boat. So we'll see. We are currently in the full Genoa, full main. Had an interesting little twist based on the wind direction that was forecasted. We're expecting about 100 to 110 degrees true, and suddenly we were down to the 150 and 160s, which was pretty much in the direction that we're going to Nassau. At the moment we're close reaching because we have our clearing tack, so now we have a good angle. The waves are slowly turning, but kind of punching through this. So we're doing 65 true in angle, and just going for power. We're doing speed over ground 9.4, boat speed 7.58. Sierra is beeping at us. It's detected. You might not see it very well here. Show you the radar And you can see, we'll see the vessel lost highway. Tried to call them on channel 16, but nobody replied. We have dolphins, like 2 dolphins. They'll probably pop up again to breathe. Here you go. Hard to see, maybe. At least it's not sharks.
You guys don't want to watch us do our taxes. But anyway, now that some of that stuff is behind us, we're going to leave today. We are leaving right now, and we're heading for the upper Exumas. So we're excited about that. Then we slogged through some rainy weather and finally made it to Hybern Key in the Northern Exumas. I thought it was a rock, but it's actually a shark.
Now that we're on top of it.
Now that we're on top of it.
Okay, you go check the anchor.
You go check the anchor.
This guy is chilling.
Okay, go check it.
He did. It's good. He said, all good. Thumbs up.
Thanks so much for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe.